What is going on, YouTube Nation? This is Dark Dividend. If you guys are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. So I really don't have the time, effort, and energy to invest in individual real estate. That's why I do Fundrise, and that's why I invest in real estate investment trust. These three I have been buying. These three have pretty solid dividend growth. And these three are at a discount. If you're new to this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. Smash that like button. Let's check out these three. In this industrial REIT I've been going after, if you watched my previous videos, I did tell you I was going to sell them, and now I'm rebuying them because they're at a beautiful discount. Rexford Industrial Realty, sitting at $39.67. The average volume is 1.82 million. The market cap is 8.83 billion US dollars. Year range is 36.92 to 53.88. Day range is 39.50 to 40.73. Previous close is 40.55. So this industrial REIT is kind of similar to Stag, except it's very focused on a very powerful location or locations in California. One of the best spots in the world for an industrial REIT. It's like an industrial REIT mecca. It's in a region over there that is like a beautiful region, and it has generated a lot of money. Now, it's not as big as Stag, it's not as big as Prologis, but it has a purpose and its revenue backs it up. And guess what? It's at a discount. Let's check out the revenue trends and dividend history. Also, recent news on tipranks.com. Rexford Industrial Realty announced their financial and operating results for the fourth quarter and full year of 2024, demonstrating the strength of its business model. The company reported a net income attributable to common stockholders of $262.9 million for 2024, making a significant increase from the previous year. Core FFO also rose by 15%, with rental rates showing significant growth across new and renewable leases. The company completed acquisitions worth $1.5 billion and maintained low leverage balance sheet, including strong financial health and strategic positioning in the market. That's some really good news. That actually just came out yesterday. Now let's jump to the revenue trends and dividend history. You look at the revenue trends starting in 2017 annually in millions US dollars, 161, 2018, 212, 2019, 267. Man, I can't talk. I literally took a power nap and just woke up. 2020, 330, 2021, 452, 2022, 631, 2023, 797. So you're seeing a huge increase in revenue. Now let's jump to the dividend history. This is when it starts looking good. So look at 2018, 15 cents, the quarterly dividend distribution, then 16, 2019, 19 cents, 2020, 22 cents, 2021, 24 cents, 2022, 32 cents, 2023, 38 cents, and then 2024 and 2025, 42 and 43 cents. Yes, you're going to see a little bit of a higher payout ratio with real estate investment trust, just like business development companies. Check out my previous video, by the way, that I posted regarding business development companies. Payout ratio is 72%. The number of dividend increases in the last 5 years is 6. Dividend growth in 5 years is 18.76%. And I just showed you the really good news of them. If you bought one share, you made 167 with a 4.12% dividend yield. That's pretty nice. Let's jump to the next REIT. One is VICI Properties, and unfortunately, one of my Latin teachers in high school just passed away, and I have to honor him, and I will say wiki, because you know what? That's the proper way to say it in Latin. It's sitting at 30.02. Average volume is 6.11 million. The market cap is 31.76 billion US dollars. Year range is 2708 to 3429. Day range is 29.89 to 30.22. Previous close is 30.13 or $30.13. This is a deal. This is an experiential REIT, and they have a lot of things going for them. Look at them against the S&P. They haven't done very well. So that's one thing that's attractive. They own a lot of casinos. They're a landlord to that, hotels, racetracks, golf courses, and bowling alleys. So the experiential thing is very nice with them. In the future, I will do an in-depth video as to why this is, for me, a long-term real estate investment trust in my dividend portfolio. Revenue trends are very nice, as well as the dividend history. So I'll show you that. So this is annually in millions US dollars. 2017, 187, 2018, 897, 2019, 894, 2020, 1,225, 2021, 1,509, 2022, 2,600, 2023, 3,611. So that's a huge increase in revenue. Now let's jump to the dividend history. So here's the nice stuff on them, the goodies and the good stuff. Quarterly dividend, 2019, 29 cents, 2020, 30 cents, 2021, 33 cents, 2022, 36 cents, and then 2023, 39 cents, 2024, 42 cents, and then 2025, 43 cents. So again, you'll see a high payout ratio. It's a REIT. Number of dividend increases in the last 5 years is 5. Dividend growth in 5 years is 8.05%. So if you bought one share, you made $1.73 with a 5.74% dividend yield. This is why I'm well diversified with my REIT portfolio. Remember, a REIT is a real estate investment trust. These companies allow us to invest in them and be a shareholder. So technically, I can say I'm a real estate investor, and I love investing in REITs. Very hard for me physically to do all this stuff, be a YouTuber, be a nurse practitioner and travel nurse, and do all that at the same time. That's why I invest in REITs. For tax purposes, you can correct me if I'm wrong, but you have REITs. A lot of people like having them in their IRA for tax advantages. But the thing is, if you have it in a brokerage account, you have to report that as your actual income. So if I make $1,000 in VICI, I have to report that as $1,000. So you earn $2,000 in VICI, you have to report that as 2,000. You don't get the dividend discount on REITs or business development companies. So be aware of that. Let's jump to the final dividend stock or REIT. Final one is Prologis, sitting at 117.21. It is the biggest real estate investment trust out there that's an industrial REIT. Done well against the S&P and now it's down. It's time for me to buy before it starts jumping up like crazy. This is probably one of my favorite REITs. I've been buying them, been reinvesting. I'm using the Yieldmax ETFs income to buy Prologis, and the covered call ETF income to buy these dividend stocks. The average volume is 4.23 million. The market cap is 108.56 billion US dollars. Year range is 182 to 135.76. Day range is $117 to 119.23. Previous close was 118.54. Let's jump to the revenue trends and dividend history. And I'm telling you, it is one of the biggest ones in the world and biggest REITs in the world. It's definitely the biggest real estate investment trust in the industrial REIT section. And again, I like being diversified because there's some really good ones out there. And if one section takes a hit, like medical or triple, triple N or, those aren't too bad. Triple net lease. But, it's good to be diversified. You get good dividend growth, and usually those are in demand. And Prologis is in demand. VICI is in demand, and Rexford is in demand. Rexford is very specific. I think when it comes to safety, prologis is a little bit, sometimes bigger is better. And I like that with prologis. So let's jump to the revenue trends and dividend history. Look at these revenue trends starting in 2018, annually in millions US dollars. 2008-04, 2019, 3,330, 2020, 4,438, 2021, 4,759, 2022, 5,973, 2023, 8,023, 2024, 8,201. So it's still increasing since 2018. Let's jump to the dividend history. And its dividend growth has been incredible. So 2013 quarterly dividend 28 cents, 2014 33 cents, 2015 36 cents, 2016 42 cents, 2017 44 cents, 2018 48 cents, 2019 53 cents, 2020 58 cents, 2021 63 cents, 2022 79 cents, 2023 87 cents, 2024 we're at 96 cents and we're close to getting to $1. Dividend yield 3.24%. Dividend growth is 13.66%. 5 years, that's beautiful. You got one share, you made 384. Payout ratio 69%. It's a REIT. Number of dividend increases in the last 5 years is 5. If you're new to this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so don't miss future videos. I will be squeezing in videos like crazy. So make sure you hit that notification bell, subscribe. It's going to be lots of videos. So check it daily. I at least check my YouTube channel twice a day or 3 times a day. I'm posting a lot of reels and stuff. We're doing a lot of collaborations with people this month. I'm very excited. Take care and have a good one. I'm going to jump to my disclaimer. So as a reminder, this is a disclaimer. Do not use my YouTube channel for any form of financial advice. It's strictly for entertainment purposes only. Investing is a big risk. You can gain money, you can lose money. So be aware and do your due diligence. Go to a financial advisor for financial advice. Go to a tax advisor for tax advice. You don't have to buy things because I buy things. Okay, I'm just showing you my dividend investing strategy. It's paying off. Make sure you follow me on X at Darth Dividend 23. Also follow me on Threads, Darth Dividend. I would appreciate it if you guys followed me as well on Instagram. Just look up Darth Dividend and follow me on Instagram as well. You have to be aware any investment you make, you can lose money. So you have to do your due diligence. I'm going to be very straightforward with you. I'm going to be very honest with you why you need to go see a financial advisor. Take care and have a fantastic Friday.